Hello friends, welcome to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to make a scanner for finding out hammer stick patterns. Some subscribers asked me about how to make a scanner for finding hammer stick pattern. So it's very simple. So today we are going to discuss about how to make a scanner for finding hammer stick pattern. So if you are a new viewer in my channel, please do visit my website also eclosnina.com. There you can find intraday positional trading strategy videos and scanners also. All these scanners and videos definitely helpful for you for trading. Okay, let's move to today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about how to make a scanner for finding hammer pattern. So now just visit chartingcard.com. There you can see create scan. Before that, I will teach you how to make a scanner. First, we should apply the condition to generate the hammer stick pattern. So, like this, I want this like this pattern. Okay, I want a pattern like this. I want a pattern like this. So, first, the condition is open equal to high. That is the first condition. And next condition is open minus close greater than less than close minus low. That is this portion. This is the condition for this candlestick pattern. If you apply this condition on charting.com, we can get the scanner which is finding out the candle formed like this. Okay, let's apply this condition to candlestick. Okay, let's apply this condition to this scanner. First one, open is equal to high. Any scanner you can make like this. First you just draw like this and just apply the condition here. Just note down the condition here, and the same thing you just apply to that scanner. You will get any type of scanner. You can make any type of scanner. Okay, first condition we made open equal to high. The second condition is bracket latest open minus close less than, again bracket latest close minus low. Our scanner is ready. Very simple method. Anyone can make a scanner like this. Not only this scanner, any type of candlestick patterns you can make it like this way. First you just draw the just apply the condition on here and just search it. Okay, now we just run the scan. So many stocks are comes, we just change it to future stocks. And okay, two stocks are comes. Let's see, is it matching our condition? DVS lab, one day chart, range, daily, period, 1 month or 10 days something. See, hammer pattern, exact pattern we got it here. Another one, ramp position. See, hammer pattern. So it's very simple. Anyone can make a scanner like this. This is an EOD scanner, and if you want 5-minute scanner, just change this latest to 5 minutes, and if you want 10 minutes then change to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes as per your wish. Okay, if you want 5 minutes then change to 5 minutes. Just change all letters to 5 minutes. If you want to 10 minutes or 30 minutes then change to 10 or 30 minutes. Okay, now it's a 5-minute scanner. Then run. See, no stock is there. And let's see cash. Okay, cash, some stocks are comes. Just check. Now stocks are find out in last 5 minutes candlestick in future. Cash stock, some stocks are comes. One day, 5 minutes. Okay, this volume is low. Just one. Okay, this hammer stick pattern is formed. So this closing time, we didn't get the accurate data. Okay, just previous candle, we just check it. Previous candle, just click the 5 minutes to 0 to previous candle. Closing time, there's some adjustment is there, price, so we didn't get exact result. That's why just before the previous candle. This just for back test. After market open, you just check with no need to change this previous candle. Okay, these are the stocks are come. So let's see future. Is there any stocks in future? Okay, 3 stocks comes in future. Torrent Farm. Let's see. See, formed here. Hammer pattern is formed here. Just dial. Also the pattern is formed. IDV. So this is very simple. Anyone can make any type of candlestick pattern scanner. First you do like this way. First you just note down the condition. So this is the hammer like this. So the condition I just put it here, and the same condition I apply on this scanner. Then I got the exact result. So after market open, if you want 5-minute scanner, keep on run this scan. So if any stocks formed a pattern, hammer pattern like that, you will get it will be pop up here. And if you want any other candlestick pattern, first you draw the level, just draw the pattern here and just apply the conditions, note down the condition. Then the same condition if you apply here in charting.com, you will get the exact result. Okay, so hope you get some idea about how to make a scanner. And we have a Telegram channel also. If you wish to join, I given the link below in the description box. Just click it and join it, or just search Nicholas Nilo on Telegram. You can find this channel. And if you join this channel, you should download this PDF file. Then only this channel useful for you. In this pinned message, how to trade with the support and resistance level. Every day I given the levels here, so you can, if you read this file, then only you know about how to trade with these levels. So if you wish to join, you just click and join it. Okay, hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmiller.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.